Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to set duration of pictures on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Afterwards, just simply open your TikTok app and then click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen, and then, since TikTok still doesn't have an option where you can set the duration of pictures, what we're going to use is the effects called green screen. So click on the effects right here, go to trending, and look for green screen with this with this button. And then you may also search right here for green screen. So, green screen. Once you have seen green screen with this icon, click on it, and then now you may choose the photo that you want. So for example, I will choose this one. And then to set the duration, what you're going to do is to simply record it until you reach the desired time you want. So for example, I have to record it, and then afterwards I want to change the picture. You may go back to effects and then choose the other picture that you want. So same steps, record the video to the duration that you want, and then once you are done, you may post it afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can set duration of pictures on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.